Hey, fourth grade, we are back with another spelling video for your week. I know we didn't have one last week, so we are back on normal spelling packet this week with consonant patterns. This will be going from March 8th to March 12th. So when we talk about consonants, they are any letters that are not vowels. So they cannot be A, E, I, O, or U. The words that we are going to be looking at today have multiple syllables in them, kind of like multiple parts, and they are going to be ending, each syllable will be ending in a consonant, and those are called closed syllables. And most closed syllables have a short vowel sound. So when you are looking at your words for this week, a lot of them will have two consonants in the middle, and the way that you would sound that out is to divide the word between the consonants and then sound it out. For example, the word basket, it would be basket because we divided it amongst the syllables, or amongst the consonant, these two syllables here, which makes those closed syllables. So it says basket. Here's our list for the week. Blanket, something you would wear to keep you warm. So you can see here, like I was talking about, blanket, you would divide it right in between these two consonants. So blang is the first, and then kit, blanket, blanket. So ket would be our second syllable. Blossom, which is like a flower blossoming. It's when you see like the colorful part. Dipper, like the Big Dipper, which is a constellation in the night sky with some formed by stars. You can also think of like dipper, like a ladle you would dip into soup. That would be a dipper. Distant means far away. Foggy, when you wake up in the morning and you can't see very far, all the moisture in the air, that is when it's foggy. Fossil, we talked about these earlier in the year. Comment below if you know what a fossil is. Member, it means you belong to a certain group. So like if you are a member of the YMCA, it means that you have you belong to the YMCA and you can go there and you pay for a membership. Nodded is a motion with your head. So if you are saying yes to someone, you might nod your head. Planner just means like somebody who plans, or your planner could be what you write down, your plans, like your homework or things you have to do for that day in a planner. Plastic is just a material. A lot of things that you guys use are made of plastic. Summer, everybody's favorite season. Swallow, when you're eating, you will swallow the food and it'll go down your throat. Tablet, you can think of this like an iPad, but then also in historic times, a tablet was something that people used to write on. Thriller means that you are thrilled by it. So they often call like scary movies thrillers, or maybe like roller coasters, you get a thrill from that. Traffic, when there's a lot of cars and people moving around, there's a lot of traffic. Sometimes it takes longer to get places. Welcome, like if you are welcome, you are allowed to be there. Willow, this is a type of tree. Go look up a weeping willow. They are very pretty trees, often seen by like ponds and swamps and those kind of things. Witness, if you witness something, you see it happen. Rumbles, that's kind of like a sound. If something is rumbling, it's like a deep shaking. And slender means skinny. So your spelling packet is just basic. This one's very easy. The ones with double consonants, meaning there's two consonants in the middle, you same consonant in the middle, you write it here. If they have different consonants in the middle, then you would write it here. So for example, blanket has two different consonants, but blossom has two S's in a row, so you would write it in this column. You guys are doing analogies again, so you compare. Builder is to maker as organizer is to, and it would be to planner, because builder and maker are the same, so we're looking for another word like organizer, and that would be planner. Down at the bottom, just write the word that matches. find your 6 words that are misspelled, and then write about a club you have joined or would like to join that you would become a member of, kind of like I talked about with one of the spelling words. So you're going to write at least 4 sentences here and use at least 4 words from your spelling list. If you guys have any questions, let us know. Have a great day, 4th grade.